Hi everyone, welcome to the channel where learning English is easy and fun. Let's learn today's vocabulary. Let's begin.
Potato, tomato, onion, carrot, cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, spinach, lettuce, cucumber, eggplant, pumpkin, radish, beetroot, turnip, garlic, ginger, green chili, bell pepper, sweet corn, peas, green beans, okra, bottle gourd, bitter gourd, ridge gourd, snake gourd, ash gourd, drumstick, yam, sweet potato, zucchini, leek, celery, artichoke, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, kale, Swiss chard, red cabbage, spring onion, shallot, parsnip, fennel, chayote, taro root, lotus root, arugula, endive, collard greens.